Hello everyone, I have something exciting for you today to show you. That is the Bella belts. Look at this packaging. This is like a premium packaging, and when you open, you can see three premium leather belts with and two buckles. You can choose these buckles according to your choice from the website, and also the belt colors you can choose according to your choice, like which color you want. And there is a note showing here saying how we cut the belt according to your size. So this is a trio bundle. You can buy like this, or you can buy as a single belt package. So the note here says step 1, cut off the excess length on the buckle side. Step 2 is secure the buckle by closing the lid. And third, enjoy your very own tailored fit Bella belt. So you can see here, this is a very long belt and it doesn't have a hole in it. Usually the belts comes with the buckle and the hole, so it doesn't have that. Instead, it have a tracking system. So you measure the belt according to your choice. Even if you're size small or double XL, triple XL, doesn't matter. You can cut it from this end where there is no track. Like cut it according to your measurement from this end, and you add the buckle. You can switch the buckle, whichever buckle you want, and then you cut it and put it. So I can cut like this much portion. Put this one first. Okay. So you insert the buckle, and you can see there is a teeth for the buckle, and you close it. See? Now it's fit, and I'll show you how to add this. You can see there is a small button kind of thing, like a trigger. So for easily removing the belt, click on the trigger so it comes off like really easily, and that's it. You can take this one off. See, you can take this one off and change it to this buckle. Same thing. So this is our traditional buckle, so do the same thing. So this is the brown belt. So now I can show you how I do with my other costumes, like if I'm wearing a dress, how I'm styling it. So next time trying this beige belt with this dress. Using this black belt with this pant and top. If you like this trio bundle, go to Bella Belt website today. There is some discounts going on in the website. Also, I have a discount code in the description below. You can use the discount code and purchase your favorite trio bundle belt. Bye.